Hello guys, welcome to the next video of this course Power BI for Beginners. In this video, we will start creating the report that I showed in the starting of the course. So let's start. So first let's create this visual, which is this. So it is profit by month and monthly profit is shown on the x-axis and on the y-axis the count of profit, which is 10k, 5k and so on. So let's try to make this type of visual. So I have already created a basic visual, which is the sum of profit by one, which is what we wanted. So for now I'll simply remove this visual, which is this, and let's bring this visual into picture. So we want to work to make that type of visual. So first let's open this visualization tab and let's go to the format of visual pen. So firstly let's remove this title, which is sum of profit and month. So for that I will simply uncheck this option and it's gone, as you can see. And apart from this, if you want to color the values, which is 0, 5, 10k, you can simply use that. So let's keep it white for now. Currently they will be not visible because of the background color and color of the scene. After that let's go to x-axis and simply close the title, and let's change the color of the month name to white. And now this is a basic visual. Now let's add background color to this visual so that the white color will be visible to you all guys. So to add white color, I will just click here so that the visual will get unselected. Go on this format your report page and canvas background. So you can simply choose any color if you want, so that it will color the background. And here transparency is 100, that's why it's not showing. So if I just make it 0, the color will be visible to you like this. So you can choose any color of your lighting, but for this session or this course, I have selected a background image, which is this dark grading. So I'll simply select this, and this is the background color. And now as you can see, the white color is still not visible because the color of the background visual is white and we have to make it transparent. So for that, let's select this visual and simply go to general, then click on this effects and simply make transparency to 100. And as you can see, the data is visible to you, but the data labels color has got changed. So let's make it white. So let's go to visual, and I guess it is here. And you might be noticing that I am doing this very fast because I am used to it. For you it will take a lot of time to explore. So don't stop exploration of Power BI. It's a good career choice for you always. And this is almost ready, but we want to just add the title. So just sum of profit by month. So I'll simply type here profit by month and just make it center, and the text color should be white. I hope this is somehow similar to this what we are achieving, but the main problem is the color of the bar. So we will be using conditional formatting to achieve this. So I will just click on this visual, and for the column option, which is in general, which is in visual, just drop down column and let's make conditional formatting. So the gradient style should be on rules. The condition should be if value is greater than, then the color should be blue. And if I add the view rule, if value is greater than 0 and percent is more than 0, then the value should be red. So I will simply do this and click on OK button, and as you can see, the color has changed, and this is what we call as conditional formatting. And if you see, there are dotted lines which you don't want. So to remove dotted lines, this is a grid line option. We can simply turn it off and the dotted lines are gone. Now let's add a basic background, or let's say border color. So let's expand this effect, then visual border, let's make it on. Let's make it white, and the rounded colors I have make it to 4 pixels. So as soon as I unshaped it, this is the background visual, and I hope this is what we wanted. And I think everything else is clear. And if I just click on it here and see the transparency for better understanding, I think I have kept it 86%. That's why it's more appealing or let's say catchy to our eyes. So I will simply do the same. So let's go to effects and the transparency, which is here. I will just make it 86. So this is what we are looking for, and now let's adjust this visual to its original place. So to see the visual position, I will simply go to our targeted, click on this visual and see the properties. So inside properties, this is size. So the height of this visual is 330, width is 576, position is 694 and 105. So I will simply copy this and paste it here. So 330, 576. So I will simply click here. The properties is 330 and 576. And if I want to see the position, I will go back here and the position is 694 and 105. I am just simply copy pasting the values because it's up to you of adjusting. You can just apply your basic maths to place the visual in this visualization. And if you want to edit the size of this page, you can just uncheck this visual by clicking anywhere in different part. Click on this format a report option and you can see the canvas settings. So by default it's set to 16:9 ratio where height is 720 pixels. So this is 720 and width is 1280 pixels. So this is what we wanted, and congratulations, we have created our first visual which exactly look like this, as you can see. Now we took a lot of time to add this visual because I was explaining you what to take, where to take. So that's all for this video. In the next video we will be adding more required visuals for this. Now let's meet in next video. Thank you.